This is a set of female 1/4 inch TRS panel jacks, and let's open this up and see how it looks. Let's try on this side. So there are 4 of them in this package, and it looks like they come with some screws here. Take a look at the screws. So you can get a close-up of the screws here. Looks like they come with both machine screws. That's these. There's a machine screw. Those also come with these tiny nuts. So that would fit right inside there. So you've got your machine screw and nut, and it looks like you get eight of those. And you also get these, look like flathead Phillips screws with coarser teeth and threads. So that you could screw into wood, plastic, and then if you're working with any other type of panel or you just drill a hole through, you could have this nut on the other side. Again, this is also a flathead Phillips machine screw. Okay. As far as these jacks are concerned, you can see that there are 2 holes for mounting to a panel. This plastic red latch allows you to release the jack from the connector. On the back of it, you can see that we have 3 contacts, 1, 2, and 3. And these will be your tip, ring, and sleeve, although not in that order. So to verify, let's take one of these 1/4 inch TRS tip, ring, sleeve cables and plug it in. And I have the other end here. So let's verify the contacts. So let's start with number 1, which is right there. I've got my cable down here, so let's see if that is the sleeve. That is. It's not the ring, it's not the tip. Let's test number 2, which I can see by looking into it that is probably touching the tip. So let's try the tip first. That's correct. It's not the ring, not the sleeve. And then finally, let's try number 3 here on this end. Okay. That is going to be the ring. Not the tip, and not the sleeve. Okay. So to summarize again, number 1 is the sleeve. So sleeve is 1, 2 is tip, 3 is the ring. So it starts with 1, 2, 3. And then to release it, if you just pull on it like that, it won't want to come out. So you have to squeeze this latch over and then pull it out like that. All right. So you can see how these screws would fit into there. So you just drop that in, or you could take one of the machine screws, and then it just looks like that. They are flathead, so they sit flush with the surface there. All right. That is the 1/4 inch TRS female panel connector.